In this video, I'll show you how to change the battery of this key fob here that was used on the Mazda CX-7 from 2007 to 2010. And inside, we're going to have a 1620 battery that we're going to change. And this one can be a little bit tricky to open. If you want to go ahead and flip out your key and locate where the key was just housed, locate this little groove on the inside here that you can see on the top corner. And I'm going to use a regular flathead. It's right in here. And if you just want to take it and hold it in this top part above that line, because this is the part that's going to be popping out, being removed. If you just hold it there and push into that groove, it'll start to separate on the bottom there. So right in that groove there, give it a little push, and from here, you can just insert your screwdriver. Once it's loose like that, the rest is pretty easy. Just pop it out with your hands. This is what we find inside. And the battery is housed inside of this little area. It can be tricky to get that out. If you have something like a precision screwdriver, a little screwdriver like this, which you can get a set of these online on Amazon, and we'll give you the link for these. You can really safely remove this. Okay, let's let it focus. There's an arrow telling you right where you want to insert something to pop it out. So if you just follow that little arrow into the bottom corner and stick this in, and with a prying motion, it'll pop right out. I'll show you that again. So following the arrow, putting it in this little corner, putting a little bit of pressure in, and now you can see it's kind of sticking out, and it just shoots right out. That's the 1620 battery. Go ahead, find another one, get your fresh one, and make sure you're putting the face side down. This is the positive side that has the brand and the battery information. Flip that over and put that in first, sliding it up and pushing down on this part on the bottom, and it goes right in. And if you just find the little V section here and match it up with the V on the body, this should just push right back into place with a little effort. There it goes. It should just push right back into place. Make sure it's all lined up and secure. And you're good to go. Brand new battery.